I am Hariyar Moharkar. I am Junior College Biology teacher in the Yashwantrao Shinde Junior College, Bhadravati, District Chandrapur. Dear students, we are studying chapter number 2, Reproduction in Lower and Higher Animals. Today we will learn birth control. Birth control measures which prevent fertilization are referred as contraceptive. The contraceptive methods help to prevent unwanted pregnancies. An ideal contraceptive should be easily available, user friendly, effective, and with no or least side effects. Contraceptive methods are of two main types: temporary methods and permanent methods. Permanent methods include vasectomy, number 2 tubectomy, 3 medical termination of pregnancy MTP, and 4 MTP, which include amniocentesis and MTP Act 1971. Vasectomy, male sterilization. Vasectomy is a surgical procedure for male sterilization. It is permanent contraception in males. During vasectomy, the male vasa differentia are cut and tied or sealed. It prevents the sperms from entering into uterus. When man ejaculate, the semen has no sperms in it. In this way, a woman's egg or ovum cannot be fertilized. No fertilization means no pregnancy. However, after vasectomy, the testes still makes or produce sperms which die, and they are absorbed by the body. Tubectomy, female sterilization. Tubectomy is a surgical procedure for female sterilization. It is permanent contraception in females. During tubectomy, the fallopian tubes of female are blocked or cut so that the egg is unable to travel from ovaries to the uterus. Thus, tubectomy eliminates any chance of fertilization in fallopian tube and following pregnancy. Laparoscopic tubal ligation is advanced tubectomy in which women's fallopian tubes are clamped and sealed. However, after tubectomy, ovary release an egg or ovum every month. The egg travels into fallopian tube awaiting fertilization, and if no fertilization occurs and dead ovum is discharged during monthly period. Medical termination of pregnancy MTP. An intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term is called medical termination of pregnancy MTP or induced abortion. MTP is essential in cases of unwanted pregnancies or in defective development of fetus. It is safe during the first trimester of pregnancy. The defective development of fetus is examined by amniocentesis. Amniocentesis is a process in which amniotic fluid containing fetal cells is collected using a hollow needle inserted into the uterus under ultrasound guidance. The chromosomes are studied to see the abnormalities in developing fetus. But dangerous trend is the misuse of amniocentesis to determine the sex of unborn child. Frequently, if the fetus is found to be female, it is aborted, which is totally illegal. MTP Act 1971. So the government of India has legalized MTP Act 1971 with strict conditions to avoid the misuse. MTP Act 1971 provides the legal framework for MTP Act 2017. MTP Act 2017 under Section 3 was enacted by Government of India. The intention of MTP Act is to reduce the incidence of illegal abortion and consequent maternal mortality. As per the provisions of MTP Act, only consent of woman whose pregnancy is being terminated is required. According to MTP Act, pregnancy may be terminated within first 12 weeks, more than 12 weeks, but lesser than 20 weeks. The registered medical practitioner's opinion is mandatory, stating the continuation of pregnancy would involve a risk to life of pregnant woman or grave abnormal physical or mental health or its substantial risk to the child.